Hey, this is Matt with 911R, and we are selling this 59 Corvette fuel-injected Roadster here, and I thought we'd just do a little walk around, then we take it for a drive and talk about the functions of the car. So we can come around and see, this car was prepped and done several big rallies in the last few years. Probably $40,000–$50,000 has been spent on the car. You know, the engine's been all gone through, the fuel injection's been all gone through, the power steering has been upgraded to a rack and pinion in the front, which is really cool. Makes the car so much more precise. Doesn't feel as lumberous as some of these early C1 cars do. Body and paint on the car is in really nice, good condition. There's no big spider web cracking or anything like that. The doors open and close really nice. You know, it's not a fully restored car by any means, but this is a perfect rally driver, classic car to get out and go do car shows or events and stuff. You'll be able to do, you know, to take a car like this on a 1,000-mile rally, you know, really have to go through and spend some money and really get everything dialed in. The clients, like I said, spent about 40-some thousand bucks going through this car before the last rally. The tires have been all redone, the brakes have been redone, the exhaust, I mean, just everything is just, you know, as good as it can get. The top is brand new on this too. It's a beautiful white, you know, vinyl top, fits really good. The windshield and all the chrome support and all this stuff has all been replaced and is new. Again, this being a factory Fuelie, that's pretty cool. These Rochester units, I think, were light years ahead of what you know, the technology of carburetors for sure. But they run really good, and they're pretty cool looking and very unique and rare. So I'm gonna jump in and take it for a rip, and we'll talk about it. All right, we're out here in the 59 Corvette Fuelie, and we're just gonna take it through some of the paces. It shifts really nice and runs out really good. The transmission was also gone through in prep, you know, getting this car ready for all the rallies and stuff it did. The car has an additional coolant temp gauge down here because the factory one wasn't very reliable, and so we wanted to do an extra one. It's got a nice, the shift linkage in this thing is really spot on. It's nice and tight. It feels like it might have a Hurst or something in it, but it does still have a little T-handle, so it's hard to say. They're running up through the RPMs here, 4,000, 4,500, almost 5. It just kept pulling. The Fuelie cars have more horsepower too than the regular carbureted ones. The car also has a Kenwood Bluetooth stereo in it, so you can either plug in your phone or pair it. It's nice down here and simple and unobstructive, so that's a nice little upgrade. Like I said, the top has been replaced, all the suspension's been gone through, just everything. It really drives out really good. And the brakes are very good too. They bite really good. A little bit of pull there, but to be expected. But you know, there we go. Hands off the wheel. It stops really nice and straight. Take a right here. Get on again. And just really goes down the road nice and smooth. The upholstery in the inside, the dash, all that looks really good. The gauge is all nice and clear. They're not all faded or anything, so that's good. I love that these early cars have the vent down here. It opens up for fresh air. You know, you open that thing up, it's just like having air conditioning. It's pretty great. You know, there was a lot of talk about the power steering in this car. It's a rack and pinion upgrade kit. Like I say, it just really makes it something. The car is just nice and precise. It's not like how these cars are stock, where you're just always sawing the wheel, or I talked about, you know, having to kind of surf them. You know, this one, you know, makes it just a lot nicer. Suspension, shocks, all that's all been gone through. So, you know, this is a well-sorted car, and like I say, it's a car you can go drive and take to an event, take to a rally, go on a Corvette club cruise, you know, and have a car, you know, it's going to perform well and look good. So any questions, use the contact seller button and hit us up, and we'll get right back to you. This is a no reserve car, so bid to win. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, hit us up or go on 911R to represent one of your cars. Let me know. Thank you very much.